Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another one. We got a 10-minute cardio kickboxing workout here. No equipment is required if you're trying to burn those calories. Get that quick workout in, and it's low impact, no jumping here. Here we go. Get those hands up, closed fist. All right, here we go. Punch it on out. We got double jabs each side. Extend those hands out, exhaling that breath. Again, I want you punching those fists right to me. Those hands come all the way back into that body. Working, exhaling that breath every time. As you can see, I'm putting weight behind my punches. Twisting that body, slightly rotating the body here, getting that weight right there behind those punches, all the way out, all the way in. We got these double jabs here. We're gonna bend those elbows. We are going into some double hooks. Nice, good job, everybody. Close those fists, keep those fists closed, keep it breathing. Every time we throw punches, we exhale that breath. We're gonna switch it on up. We're going right into some uppercuts. I want you facing those palms to that face here, rotating that body still, breathing, working. Good job, everybody. Good work, good work. You got this. Going back into those jabs. Keep it going. Keep moving, everyone. We're gonna add a little twist here. I want you turning that body, punching right across that chest here. Keep that body moving. Keep that weight shifting. Good job. We're going high punches. Get those hands up to those high corners, right on up there, diagonally across that body. Nice job, everybody, nice job. Take it back to that center here, right there towards me. Working those shoulders, we're breathing. Core is engaged, so we're rotating that torso a little bit as well, putting some hips into it. Punching. All right, bring those hands up nice and high. Give me some knees right here. Exhale that breath. Swing those arms down. Get those knees up nice and high. Keep it that back tall. Staying balanced. Breathe in, getting those knees up. So we're working some abs here as well. As that core work, shoulders are working. Pushing, breathe in. Kick it out. Extend that leg out to me. Nice job. You got this, everybody. You got this. You're looking good, everyone. All right, we're going up into some knee repeaters, reaching for that high corner. Bring that knee right on in here, right on in. Bring those hands to knee. Imagine you had a ball in those hands. I want you taking it right to that knee. Exhaling that, but working some obliques, twisting motion, getting that knee up. Go ahead and switch over to the other side. Get that knee up, get those hands to knee. Keep going. Great job, everybody, great job. Ball to knee. Get an imaginary ball in that hand. Take that knee to those hands. Keep going. Take it back to center. Get those knees up, nice and high. Exhaling that breath, back is tall. Extend that leg out, kick it on out for me. Kick down that door. Keep it breathing. Keep working it. Take it back on up. High corners, right into that knee repeater once again. Can you pick that feet up a little bit more? Get that knee up. Get that hand to knee. You got this. Switch over to the other side. Awesome job, everybody. Awesome work. All right, take it on down. Reach those hands up. Bring it on down. Give me some squats here. Exhaling that breath. Hands are up. Back is tall. Feet flat against that ground. Sitting that bottom back. Adding a knee. Keeping those hands up. Knee. Knee. Squat. And knee. Good. We're gonna take it down right here, right there. Hands up, hands up. Squat it down, feet flat. Exhale that breath. One more on each side. Bring it on up, hands here. Hitting that squat again. Knee to elbow. Knee to elbow. Keep it going. Keep it fluid. Okay, stay with that rhythm. Exhaling that breath as you come up. Driving that knee to that elbow. Good work, everybody. Good work, good work. Here we go. One more on each side. Bring it on up. Nice, easy twist. Keep those feet flat against that ground. Twisting that body side to side. Breathe in. When I close those fists, bring it on in. Guarding that face now as you're rotating. Nice, smooth twisting. Slip side to side, hands up, breathe in. Just doing a squat, making a big U with that body, okay? Add in a punch. Keep it slipping, side to side. Good, nice job everybody, nice job, nice job. 2 more here. Last one, bring it back on up. Give me 2 jabs each side and squat. 2 on each and squat. Good. Working those legs, working that body, still breathing. How we doing, everyone? You guys got this, all right? You got this. Let's do some uppercuts up. Slip, squat down, uppercut, power through. Closed fists, keep those hands closed. Flexing that bicep, getting on up. Good, nice job. Keep it going. Here we go, 2 on each. No more squats. Keep those uppercuts going. Twisting that body, pumping those arms, breathe in. Punch it out. We're getting a little more shoulders here. We're reaching at high punches here. 2 on each side still. Good. Nice job. Take it back to center. Right there to me. Good work, good work. Throw those hooks again. Nice work, everybody. Nice job. Uppercuts. Switching it on up. Keeping it on your toes. Pushing that body, challenging that cardio, that breathing. Center. High punches. Low punches, here we go. Punch it out, keep it going. Taking it back in, right here, right in. Maybe not knee repeater here, everybody. Keep going. We're gonna get a little lower, bending that supporting leg, getting a little closer to that ground. Quad is working here, glutes. Breathing, sweating, pushing. Good. Switch side, we stay low. We stay low, we stay low. Keep going. Nice work, everybody. Take it down low, take it down low. Give me some punches here. Hold that squat, hold that bottom down. Extending those hands, remember, closed fist. Breathing, give me a little bit faster jabs. These are single jabs, so one hand out, one hand in. All the way in, all the way out. Come back on up, come back on down. Come back on up, come back on down. Good, nice job, nice job. Hold it on down. Got a little twist. Core work here. shoulder work, breathe in. Nice work. Come back on up, keep it going. Squat it back down. We're still twisting with those jabs. Excellent work. Keep it going, keep it going. Almost there, almost there. And relax, bring it on down, everybody. Great job, thank you for joining me. Here we go, we just nice, easy shoulder roll. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much love when you hit that subscribe button. Reverse the shoulder roll, relaxing the body, just breathing. Excellent work today, everybody. You can check out the rest of my channel if you got more energy and you got a little bit more extra time. Check out another workout, add it on to this one. All right, one arm over. Pull that elbow in. Sweat in here. Breathing. Slowing down the body, cooling it down, recovering. Other arm over. Pull the elbow in. Nice, good stretch in that shoulder. Bring it on down. Feet together. Taking one knee up. Work that balance for me. Focus his eyes. Focus that breath. And pull that knee up nice and high. Switch sides. Other leg. You guys did awesome today. Thanks again for joining me in this one. All right, bring it on down. Open up those feet nice and wide here, reaching those hands up. Give me a good breath in. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Bring it on up. Bring it on down. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex, and I will see you in the next video.